loads of roof, Simon. Oh God. Get ruined. Hey Dopes. We've got an absolutely incredible storm. See, this is the part of keeping horses that no one shows you, and we've lost a massive part of the roof. You know, I've said before, we never have any luck. And well, this is it, isn't it? And it's soaking wet, it's freezing cold. It's real gale force winds to the point where it's blown the big mats over there. Whew. It's a good job I brought this camera with me so that you can see how bad it is. The mud is absolutely incredible. Thankfully the horses are all fine. But it means that the hay has a huge amount now that's not covered. There's the old man, he's good. Good boy. Oh dear, you've seen your fair share of storms. And Dream is right the way over there. So, there's not much we can do at this moment. We just move Hope. Hope, come out of the way, please. So, what we're going to have to do is cover up the hay where the roof has come in. Well, it's gone. Who knows where it's gone? So that's what we're going to do now.
Careful.
Oh my gosh. Don't think that's going to work.
Well, you'll have to push it right down to the floor so the water doesn't just run off it to the Where do you want to put it?
Up onto here to hold this. Well, that's about as good as I can do. I've covered, we've put a tarp over this side because this is the side that we didn't replace, this side of the roof. We replaced that end, which that's fine, but it's the side we didn't replace that seems to be removing itself. So we've covered all the hay that side with tarps, and then I've put hay bales on top of the top to keep it there, and then some clean rugs and old rugs over the top so that that hay doesn't get ruined, because there's like 100 bales of hay in here. Well, no, not now, probably about 80, and yeah, really don't want to lose that. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to feed them in the stable just in case, I don't know, the stable falls down, you never know. So what I'm going to do is put the hay underneath the overhang just so it stays dry. And yeah, the old man is hungry. There he is, he's hungry, he wants his dinner, so does Hope. So what we're going to have to do and wait for the storm to blow over. Come on, Hope.
It will, it's only the roof. And luckily the new beside one I still hold it.
Dream! Dream boy! I think he's eating the hay there.
Yeah.
Come on, Dream boy! You gonna come out? Come out and have some hay? Come on. That's as good as we can do in the storm. It's gone very dark very quickly. And the rain is just ridiculous. So, hopefully, we'll still have a stable tomorrow. Yeah, we batten down the hatches as much as we can. And this is the realities of owning horses.